This brand name is licensed to Daikin Comfort Technologies North America Incorporated, and the controls are made by a third-party Chinese manufacturer. They are only sold and installed by the Franklin dealer network, and their guarantee is not very good compared to other brands that require dealer installation. The PROSTAT PSP4273RT model is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart thermostat that also displays the current local weather and forecast, but there are internet security concerns around products that are Wi-Fi enabled and made in China. The units can control humidification and dehumidification equipment for increased home comfort. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.